Do you want to help your mother?
Yes, I want to help my mother.
Do you want to ask me question?
Yes, I want to ask you question.
Okay. Do you want to give the answers?
Yes, I want to give the answers.
Okay. Do you want to celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I want to celebrate my birthday.
Okay. Do you want to give some cake to me?
Yes, I want to give you some cake.
Okay. Do you want to give me 100 rupees?
Yes, I want to give you
Do
100
you want
rupees.
to climb the tree?
No, I do not want to climb the tree.
Very good, beta. Do you want to watch TV?
Yes, I want to watch TV.
Do you want to watch cartoons?
Yes, I want to watch cartoon.
What cartoon do you want to watch?
Sir, Ben 10.
Ben 10. Oh, I also like Ben 10. Okay, so do you want to watch Ben 10?
Yes, I want to watch Ben 10.
Do you want to speak English?
Yes, I want to speak English.
How many types of sentences in English?
There are 4 types of sentence in English.
How many types of parts of speech in English?
There are 8 types of part of speech in English.
Okay, how many types of tenses in English?
There are 12 types of tenses in English.
बाकी म्यूट रहें प्लीज. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ टेंसेज हार्दिक बोरा से पूछा है मैंने. टेंस बताओ बेटा कितने होते हैं? 10 होते हैं कि 12 होते हैं? Yes, there are 12 tenses in English. You are speaking very well, Hardik, and you are so cute. आपने किसी से डरना नहीं है, ठीक है? सब मर्जी है बोले बेटा, कभी भी क्लास में आके बोले मुझे स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस करनी है सर, एंड स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. ओके हार्दिक, थैंक यू सो मच.